Alright guys, so today we're talking about unlocking every free thing you can possibly get with GoHighLevel. A lot of people sign up without realizing how much is actually available to them, even during the free trial. So today we're going to cover 15 items, from free system snapshots to live trainings, even options that let you upcharge certain features, but only if you start your trial a certain way. So first on the list is an on-demand live demo. Now, I'll leave a link for all these down below. They're in my free school community. You can jump in there and grab them. It's all free. But with the HighLevel live demo, you can book a call with the team. They'll go over the core features, even give you a demo with the AI with a one-on-one Q&A. You can literally book this 24/7 on demand. You don't even need a HighLevel account to do this. All right, item number 2. The Daily Live Bootcamp. Now, this is basically a 1-hour fast track. It's hosted every day at 11 a.m. Central Time. This is a live Zoom class with a click-by-click tutorial where you walk away with a finished HighLevel launch. There's a whole boatload of stuff here that we go over, plus you get a bunch of free bonuses, lead gen playbooks, SaaSpreneur playbook, launch snapshot, funnel giveaway. You get all of that just for joining the bootcamp. Again, 100% free to join. The third item is a daily Q&A that you can jump in on. Right here's a calendar. Next one is tomorrow at 10 a.m. It's a little bit more of an open forum, not so structured as the daily bootcamp is, and you can have more of your question and answers happening there. Now, number 4 is a huge one. This one is a 5-day live training where they literally cover everything, soup to nuts, that you could possibly cover to get started with the platform. Here's the entire itinerary of everything they cover for the entire week. Now, you notice with the 5-day live training here, there's a button that says claim your 14-day trial. Or right below it, it says if you're an existing HighLevel user, click here. If you want to join the 5-day live training, you'd want to sign up with a 30-day trial first. We'll get to that, and then come over here and click that you're already an existing user to join the 5-day training. If you pick anything out of this list, absolutely go here if you can. But even if you can't make this one, there's so much pre-recorded stuff you're going to see. It's no worries. Number 5 is weekly AI coaching calls. Right here, you can click view, schedule, and replays. If you miss any of them, you can click here and watch. And this is all about all the different AI features of HighLevel. Again, live weekly training, absolutely free. Click here, pop in your info, and these are hosted every single week. Again, guys, links for all this stuff is in the school community, absolutely free. Number 6, we have virtual events. Here's a calendar for these guys. You can jump in. We got master classes in here, how to attract clients without sales calls, how to build your customer journey, absolute goldmine of a place to brainstorm and have an iron sharpens iron session with other users. Number 7, we have town halls. So these are where you can brainstorm and talk about anything related to these different categories: reputation management, funnels, workflows, ask AI. You could bring up concerns, you could bring up ideas, you could bring up bugs maybe you ran into, whatever it is. There's not too many bugs, thankfully. But these town hall meetings are very, very frequent, and a huge portion of what HighLevel delivers and puts out on a weekly basis for updates comes from the feedback that everyone gets during these town hall meetings. So absolutely huge. And number 8, we have in-person events. Literally tomorrow in Austin, Texas, we have a HighLevel Hangout coming up. Right here's the landing page for it. Are you a current HighLevel user? Here's the agenda. And look, brand new folks show up to this. I came here with 0 clients. I've met a lot of people with a lot of experience. They've shared great tips and have given me the tools and advice I need to go and take action, right? You do not need to be a veteran. If you have an event coming up near you, jump in, get connected, get advice from people that are already crushing it in your space. There is one main event that happens every year. It's called Level Up. It happens in Dallas, Texas. Here's a landing page for that. But I want to show you something very important about this event. The tickets are not exactly cheap. I mean, $3,000 for VIP. But here's the thing. This is not some multi-level marketing hoopla rah-rah event. They give out awards here for all of the top performing businesses that use HighLevel. And this is a really awesome hack if you are having trouble where to start or what type of niche to go into. Now, there's a ton of businesses in here, but I grabbed a few just because I want to show you the vast amount of business types that use this platform. Here's drugstore to door. So this is medication discounts with or without insurance. Here's Protect and Preserve, Eagle Financial Group. We got estate planning, financial planning, healthcare. Elevate your drone business to new heights with Drone Suite 360. Talk about niche, right? Real estate, automate your leads, close more deals, scale your real estate empire. So guys, the reason why it's so expensive to go to this event is because you're going to be able to rub shoulders with a bunch of real companies that have made millions and millions of dollars with this platform. And you'll be able to leapfrog forward with the amount of time it's going to take to learn what works and what doesn't and find out the best path for you with the platform. All right, so now we'll get into some of the technical stuff. Here we have an entire library of what's called system snapshots. Now, everybody loses their mind over snapshots because the affiliates push them all the time. What most of them don't tell you is that nearly every snapshot you could possibly need for every industry is already included with HighLevel. Break-in muffler shop, auto sales, nail salon, IT consultant, video producer, mental health clinic, pressure washing, appliance repair, HVAC, all different industries, all different niches. And with every single snapshot, you literally hit one button, it creates the entire account for that client. Right here is a video that walks you through. You get website templates, sales funnel templates, claim offer forms, email campaign templates, custom automation, sales pipeline templates, digital ad templates. They're literally already all in the snapshot. Here's the entire setup guide for that snapshot. One click install right here. And these snapshots are fully supported by HighLevel. So the 24-hour tech support that we're going to get to, if you got questions on this stuff, they'll be able to help you with it. So moving on to number 10, we got website and funnel templates. So right here in the funnel builder. Now a funnel is basically one long landing page that has different sections, whereas a website would have those sections broken off into different pages. Most of the traffic nowadays is going to be with a cell phone. You're probably going to want to use a funnel for most applications. You can still use websites, but people don't generally try to click around too much on a cell phone. So funnels are the way to go. You can come in here. There's literally 913 funnels, not only for your own agency. So say you're like, all right, I'm going to start my marketing agency. You can pick any one of these funnels, digital marketing services. All you do is click preview. You can see what the landing page of the funnel would look like here in desktop, tablet, and mobile. Absolutely beautiful. You don't need to custom code anything. Click choose template and you can drag and drop, make your edits, swap out the text, swap out the pictures, whatever you want to customize it for your business. They're ready to go under templates. You can build one with AI or you can start from scratch, but those are all included with every HighLevel account. So number 11, not only do you get the websites, you also get template automations. So once somebody opts in for your client, whether it's to get a quote or schedule an appointment, you don't have to worry about trying to build the automations out. Right here is everything you need. Lead nurture, customer appointment, say preview, and it shows you right here. This is a sequence of what would happen. Someone books an appointment, send out an email, wait 24 hours, send another email. You can easily customize this, add text messages in there if you want. Auto missed call text back. One click can set this up. No show nurture, birthday template, Facebook Messenger auto replies, Google Business Profile, webinar registration. All the automations for what you would need for any type of specific use case for a business is right in here. WhatsApp, you load them up, and then you can just change the messaging out for whatever you want it to be for that particular client. Don't let any affiliate try to convince you that they have tens of thousands of dollars worth of free stuff. It's already all in here. Like, they may customize a few things for something they're trying to demo on a video and say, hey, I'll give this to you. That's all fine, but 9 times out of 10, whatever offer that you've put together for your business, you're going to have to customize that stuff anyway. All the main templates you need are right here to start with. All right, so number 12, GHL University. Now, I have a school community and other affiliates have a school community, and that's all fine. But GHL University is right here, and there's 44,300 members in here. On top of that, there's an entire course library with literally everything you could possibly need to get to 7 figures with HighLevel. From many of the top performers that have used the platform, they put together these trainings, and they're all here for you. Even white label resources. You get white label social posts that you can put in the social planner, customize them, have them automatically go out on your social profiles. You get white label videos here that you can customize, send them to your clients. You can access your directory or certified admins if you want additional paid support. Town halls are in here. This is a massive gold mine of information that you get on day one before you've spent a single dollar. All right, moving along. Number 12, 24/7 tech support across 4 different channels. Right here's a little video telling you how to access it in your agency account. You've got Zoom support, live chat support, ticketing, and phone support available to you on day one. Scroll down here and they break down the details for each one, how to get into it. Very straightforward. And if that's not enough, number 14 here is the official HighLevel Facebook group. There's 125,000 members in here now. Sean Clark, the CEO of HighLevel, is in here all the time. He answers people's questions. There is probably 1,000 posts a day, tons of resources. So you're not operating in a vacuum, feeling like you are alone, because that could not be farther from the truth. Now, number 15. This is where it gets a little bit in the weeds, but there are certain features that are only available on certain plans. The main difference between the 97 and the 297 is the 97 you only get 3 sub accounts, 1 for yourself, 2 for your first 2 clients. The 297 plan gives you unlimited sub accounts. You could sit here all day long and never upgrade to 497. But the 497 plan gives you what's called SaaS mode, to where your sub accounts can get automatically created as people sign up. You don't have to manually onboard them. That's one major difference. The second one is all the usage fees. The $297 a month plan lets you bill your clients one-to-one for whatever the usage fees are. The $497 plan lets you set your own markup on the rebilling. So even if something's maybe 1 cent for an email, you can mark it up to 2 cents. At scale, this is more money every month. But here's the thing though, whatever you start your 30-day free trial on, you can't upgrade to another plan inside that free trial. And the $497 plan is not available on the main homepage. If you come here to HighLevel.com, it's only the 97 and the 297, and it's only a 14-day trial. So you have to go through an affiliate like myself, that has special offers to where if you want to try these features out and at least play around with them for a month, you can start a 30-day free trial on the $497 plan, and you can just log in and downgrade to $97 before it's over, and you're not going to get charged at $497. Or if you got a couple clients by then, you could downgrade to the $297 if you needed the extra accounts. So that's why I said in the beginning of the video, depending on how you start your trial, you may or may not have access to some of the free things that you would get during the trial. This is an example of that. And lastly, of course, I have my free school community. We got 800 members in here now. There's an entire course to take you from zero to your first paying clients in the first 30 days. It's all free. All the links for everything we talked about here are in there under the Step 2 module. If you want to get started with HighLevel, take advantage of all of those things. There's no reason not to. It doesn't cost you anything out of pocket. And if you want to learn how to get your first paying clients on HighLevel without running any paid ads or doing any cold calls, watch this video right here, and I'll see you on the inside.